Hey everyone, welcome back to another MAPOG tutorial. Today, we're diving into the Converter Tool, your go-to feature for seamless data format conversions. First, head over to story.mapog.com and open your existing map or create a new one. Give it a proper name and description. Once you're in, click on Process Data from the left panel and select Converter Tool. Now, it's time to upload your file. Click on Drag and Drop or Browse option and browse the dataset you want to convert. The tool supports multiple formats, so whether you're working with GPS coordinates, shapefiles, or MIF files, you're covered. Next, click on Upload button and your data will be uploaded. Next, pick the format you want to convert your file into. If you need a GIS-ready file, go with SHP. Need a PDF for presentations? That's an option too. At this point, you can also set the CRS to make sure your data aligns perfectly with the needs of your spatial analysis. Once you've selected your desired format, click Convert. And that's it. Your file will be automatically downloaded. Whether you're working on a GIS project, mapping data, or creating reports, this tool saves time and ensures accuracy. That's how simple it is to use the MAPOG Converter Tool. Whether you're a GIS expert or just starting out, this tool makes it incredibly easy to transform files for your mapping needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more MAPOG tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or email us at support@mapog.com. Happy mapping!